Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Bible application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the More button down below in the right side, and then click on the Settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you can turn on notifications if you would like to get a daily email or daily push notifications. So tap on the relevant button, and if you want to set it, just tap on this button to select a time. And you can also set which version you would like to get an email about, and you can also get a daily email sending you the daily verse image, and you can also get a push notification. As you tap on the notification section, you can also check out your daily notifications at this section, such as about your earned badges, your daily refresh badge, or your verse badge. You guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.